Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting your camera or card reader. Use USB 3.0 when possible to speed transfer. Once connected, open Capture One and choose Import Images, or if you use Sessions, choose Session Import. In the dialog, pick the source folder or card, then set the destination catalog or session folder. Make sure to apply a naming preset and metadata template. This gets your files organized immediately, so you won't hunt for originals later. Once the source is set, focus on import options. Choose Copy, Move, or Leave in place. Enable checksum verification if you want error checking. Then apply capture settings, color profile, lens correction, sharpening, and any keyword or rating presets so images are organized on arrival. Use the preview and filter tools to inspect RAW versus JPEG and flag initial selects. This saves time. Make sure to review destination folder structure. Then hit Import to start the transfer. After import, verify thumbnails and metadata. Confirm files landed in the correct folder and back up to a second drive immediately. You should run an initial cull, use flags, stars, or color tags, and apply quick exposure and white balance fixes so selects are ready. If something goes wrong, reconnect the device and check system permissions. If Capture One reports missing files, try a different card reader or USB port, then retry the import. This finishes the process and prevents lost images.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.